Right, quick video. We have got the TinyFX W on the bench and I'm messing around with it. What is it? Well, it's a way of adding interactivity, lights and sounds to a Lego compatible project. So this is designed to go into your Lego sets and to light up, to make sounds, to do cool things. It has sensors you can plug in as well. There's a PIR sensor and you can plug in anything that's a Quest connection or STEMMA QT connection into it and mess around. So I've done what I usually do with stuff like this. Play with Star Trek stuff because I like Star Trek. Star Trek is cool. So what I've got is a speaker. I've got 5 RGB LEDs. They're not addressable. It's just one colour on them all. That's just like it's like an electrical outlet. Where it plugs in, you get multiple sockets coming off it. I can't control them individually, I can control them all to be one colour, all at once. Pretty cool. What's it going to do? Well, when I press the boot button, it's going to go to red alert. So, let's give it a go. So pressing the boot button there triggers a sequence. And it just goes through that while the audio file is playing, and it's a 44 kilohertz 16 bits mono wave file I'm playing of Red Alert Klaxon. And for those who know Star Trek, that's the Voyager Red Alert Klaxon. While that's playing, the code is also saying, okay, the LEDs that are connected to RGB connection, make them flash red for Red Alert. And there we go, easy peasy. Good bit of fun. Cheers.